my example at home is 20 factorize 24x squared plus 2xy minus y squared and the mn squared minus 7mn plus 10. Let's start with example M, which says factorize 24x squared plus 2xy minus y squared plus 2xy minus y squared. To factorize this expression, we're going to multiply this and this. Together we're going to multiply, result is 24 x squared y squared. Tukila kumanamba divese factors are 24. Factors are 24. I mean they have multiply at the base 2. I'm add at the base positive 2. Man they have multiply at the base negative 24. Negative if what is it? 24x squared times negative y squared. So it has to be negative. What is it taken? Have something as follows. My factors are 24. In general, they in the 2 times 12, my divided 24. Then there is the 6 times 4, my divided 24. From my factors are remaining take a combination remaining at the pass a positive 2. In the 6 times 4 it was 24. And the 4 are negative, they can add 6 plus negative 4, and it was a positive 2. The combination remaining that I use in the many. So separate middle term here 2 into 6 and 4. So we have 24 x squared and then plus, if we middle term in the xy, it is used as so xy 6 xy minus 4xy minus y squared. And then tibulano tipeza ma common factor na kulwa group ili yonse mu group yambira common factor ya 26x 6x kulwa 4x squared ulibasa 4x 6x from 6xy ulibasa plus y. And then mu group ya juwili common factor to negative 4y. Negative 4y will 4xy rather common factor should be negative y. Negative y. Common factor to the negative y. Negative y will negative 4xy will 4x. Negative y will negative y squared will plus y. But negative number divided by negative number, now I was a positive number. And then from here, I'm going to combine 6x minus y and another bracket should contain one of these. We color 4x plus y. If we have a stage menu, we will factorize expression. Expression in I go to factorize m squared n squared minus 7mn plus 10. Factorize m squared n squared minus 7m n plus 10. We want to factorize expression here. Tufunika dibeze ma factors at 10 imene digaba nga multiply adibasa 10 yo kono digaba nga add adibasa negative 7. Then my factors at 10 we have 1 times 10 and then we have 2 times 5. And therefore me combination remaining adibasa 7 in the year 25. 2 plus 5 in the 7 komano 7 imene ufuna ife yomba negative. both of these numbers have to be negative. Now we have negative 2 and negative 5. If you check on your calculator, negative 2 times negative 5 adivasa positive 10, and negative 2 plus negative 5 adivasa negative 7. Note you can separate middle term m squared n squared minus 2m n minus 5 m n plus 10. If you check mgabanga add this and this mgwela over 7 mn, we are on the right track. We can proceed to factorize. The group ya tuyambirira ndi common factor minimum ndi mn kulowa apa adipasa mn kulowa apa adipasa minus 2, and then apa common factor group ya chiwiri ndi negative 5. Negative 5 kulowa umumu adipasa mn. Negative 5 kulowa negative 10 adipasa minus 2. And then we can finalize by having mn minus 5 close bracket, dot this mn minus this 5, and then another bracket which should contain mn minus 2. Ndio mngapanga check kalori mwafika stage ndio normalize factorization. If you work it backwards, mpanga expand this expression mbezera mubwira answer for that expression. Ngari utega ubanga expand expression minimum factorize ubasani original expression, and your factorization has been successful.